my channel. My name is Brinkey and I'm going to be starting my channel off with a fun challenge, and the challenge that I'm going to be doing today is only eating mini foods for 24 hours, and I think that it will be a lot of fun way to start off the channel. So let's get straight into it. It's pretty late in the day already. I kind of didn't want to start till now. And it's almost lunch, so I'm technically going to be making brunch. So what I'm doing is I think I'm just going to do eggs and toast, but I probably will add some sort of fruit or something. So let's get straight into making it. Okay, so here I have my egg, my cup that I'm using as a bowl, and then my mini pan with, I forgot what this thingy's called. So this is everything that I think I'm going to be using. I'm probably going to be using mini measuring cups, mini this, mini that. I have all my mini food already washed, but you know, I just got to make the food, not wash the dishes, except I'm probably gonna have to wash this pan afterwards, and wash this thing, and wash this cup, even though I have more cups. That's like one of the only things I have multiple of. Besides, I have like 2 forks. That's it, because I couldn't find any other ones. So, I just have eggs in the background and my fridge, because you know, we have chickens, and when you have chickens, you have eggs, and that's also where I got this egg from. And if you're wondering why there was writing, that is also why, so we know when if that egg is good. That one egg was from 4 days ago, because it was from the 6th. So, you know, let's get straight into cracking. Nope, not gonna do it. Okay, you guys, so now I have my egg and I'm going to crack it into the cup. You guys, so I'm going to crack the egg into this cup, but I just had to quickly wash this bowl so that I could do the rest. So let's just go ahead and crack it into the cup. Okay, not my best crack ever. Okay, sorry about that. I just need to now wipe this off. Okay, now I need to wash my hands. Okay, so I have my egg in my cup, and now I'm going to grab just my little spoon so I can scoop it, just like a little soup spoon, so I can scoop it into here so that I can have a smaller portion, so I can actually make mini eggs, not big eggs. Because who wants to make a mini video but then not actually make mini food with mini measurements and mini proportions and stuff? The rest of this egg will not be going to waste. Trust me. We will not be wasting it. I will still be cooking that. It's just not right now. So now I'm going to grab my measuring cups and my milk so I can put some milk in here. Guys, I'm back and I have my milk and I have my mini measuring cup. This is a measurement for 1 cup. Now I'm not filling it all the way. I'm doing just about half a cup. And if you hear some background noise, that is my dad making lunch or something. And now dancing. If you can see him, I don't think you could. They can't see your head. Dad, come back here. Dad. Yeah, he's dancing over there.
Good music.
And my brother is also watching a video in the background. So I'm going to be filling my 1 cup measurement up about halfway here. just a little bit over. So what I did is I just took a little medicine cup and then I just put my little thing in, and now I shall pour my milk in with my eggs. Maybe I should just do 1 cup. I'll do 1 cup because why not?
Do you have a hairband?
No.
Yeah, I got like 7.
Camera was not working and I forgot to turn it on, but I did add the milk in and I started to mix. Let's cue the mixing music. Hey Dad, not you, I'm editing in music.
Sorry.
Okay, mixing music over. Well, that mixing music was going on. My dad was also making mixing music.
Ready? Yeah.
Oh,
Come on over. Grab us some of it.
except I can't have salmon because I'm doing mini, and that would be cheating. Now I am going to put my eggs in here so that I can make my scrambled eggs. Except I need some butter. Let's go and grab some butter. While they're fighting over salmon, I got my mini chunk of salmon. Mmm.
That's the skin.
So delicious.
I love the skin.
Mmm. Mmm.
I love the skin.
I mean, it's good for you, but
Yum. Mini taste. I mean, it's delicious. It's just a little small. Okay, you guys, while I am waiting for my mom to come down here and help me because I'm going to be using the stove. I'm going to be doing most of it, but I just need someone to supervise me and stuff. I have an Airheads. Now I'm not going to go because I can't. Sad day. Because I can't eat big food. I can only eat mini food. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this up with not a mini knife because a mini knife would not cut through this. But I'm going to cut it up and then I'm going to freeze it and see how that tastes later on in the challenge. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to get a knife so I can cut this up. This is the mystery flavor, no clue what it is. So here's the wrapping. And then all my other messes everywhere from the eggs. Like I said, not a mini knife because a mini knife would not cut through this. This will also not cut through this. Let's get a stronger knife here. Okay, you guys, I have to be very, very, very careful with this knife. And I am very, very, very careful with this knife. So, oh my gosh. This is very hard to cut. I think I can just tear it though. Yeah, I can just tear it. So, improvising because it's sharp and don't. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to be just tearing this up into very small pieces. So it's like mini little Airheads and then I'll shape them later. But I made some popsicles last night, but so that they could freeze overnight. I will show you guys those in a little bit because I will be outside today and it will be hot, I think. Honestly, I don't know. That's a question for Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Time to go on a treasure hunt and uncover today's forecast. The current weather is 78 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies.
Okay, well, it's cloudy and it's 78. Okay, Alexa, stop. I didn't ask for anything else. So my hands are clean. I did just wash them. Should I just taste one? Because once I shape them, I'm going to taste test it. So I know how they taste before they go in the freezer. Do they taste good? Do they taste bad? What do they taste like? It's like little Airhead bites. I'm just going to continue to shape this and I'll see you guys once I finish. Okay, guys, so I shaped them and now I'm going to pop them in the freezer. Guys, so I've made them. These ones are getting hard and they are very hard to shape. So I have only done these. I'm probably not going to do these. I'm probably going to eat them tomorrow because they're not very many. But I have shaped these and I'm going to try this one and then put the rest in the freezer. Let's try it. Okay, so now I'm doing the official taste test of it. It's so small. They look like an airhead. And all my airheads are not perfect because airheads are like snowflakes. None of them are the same ever because like where their line is, how they're shaped, sometimes the bottom of them will look like this one where it has that little slant. You know, they're all different. This one is differently delicious. I'm going to now put the rest of these in the freezer and I'm going to show you my popsicles too. I put them on this tray and now they kind of look like ice. Now I'm going to be popping them in the freezer. So here are my two popsicles that I made in these little molds. This one is just from a juice block. Juice. I forget what it's called, but like one of those juice cube thingies that's in cardboard. And then this one is made of cherry juice. I made the cherry juice handmade, but you can just get it from a jar if you want. I made it with organic cherries that I just found in my fridge. Whoa, what did I do? The footage that I filmed just a little bit ago, that egg that I was making the eggs with, that egg was bad, so I had to restart with a different egg, but I'm just going to be starting where we left off at cooking the egg because I already made the egg so that you guys don't have to watch all of that again. So, you know, I did not know that it was the 7th month and that egg was from the 6th. And, you know, it was old, so I had to get a new egg, and I just repeated all the exact same steps. Guys, so I just oiled up my mini little pan, and we do have a very small burner that we're going to be using. As you can see, it's pretty small, but do not do this at home unless you have parent supervision and your parent is alongside helping you. So, you know, just be very careful. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be putting on the egg. Woo! It fits perfectly. And I also have my little dinger popper so that I can, spatula, that's what it's called, a spatula. So I can do this. Where's the standing it? Guys, so I cut up some toast into tiny little pieces so that I could have some toast with my eggs, and now I'm going to enjoy my breakfast and probably grab some fruit and then slice some melon or something up, or slice a cherry up, and then I'll probably after breakfast or lunch. By now it's 1:12. So it's definitely lunch. So, you know, I'll eat my lunch and then I'll update you guys later when I start my popsicle. Okay guys, so I'm outside and I have my mini popsicle and I finished breakfast in like 2 bites. But now I'm just going to be tasting my popsicle. Let's try it. Wow, I just ate that whole top thing. This one is the cherry pop. Tastes like cherries. Delicious. Why it is not red like regular cherry is because it is not from a regular cherry. It is actually from an organic cherry. Ah, that's hot on my bum. So, you know. So delicious and mini. Hits the spot. I already finished. Well, good thing I have another popsicle that I'm not going to eat right now. Because I don't want to eat that whole thing right now, even though it's mini and I'm hungry. And, you know, I'm probably just going to eat something, like, as a little snack. Or something, you know. I'll figure out something. Peace for now. Oh my gosh, stop turning it on. What the heck? No. Why can't I turn it off? Come on, turn it off. How do I? Wow. The shake's going to be a good one. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to subscribe if you want to watch more. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was really hard because I was driving here to the Wisconsin Dells, which we'll see a little bit more of in my next video, but I could not do it because we had some fast food on the way. If you are wondering where I am, or if you hear background noise, I am at my brother's baseball game currently, so that's where I am right now, but I just couldn't do it for the whole day. But if you guys do want to see another video where I have more like prep and I actually prepare for it more, then give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.